Alright, this is just going to be a short video to show you how to create movable pieces on a whiteboard file in Blackboard. So basically when you upload your PowerPoint into Blackboard, it becomes a static image, so nothing can move. But anything that you paste or add to the whiteboard once you've got it loaded into Blackboard will stay movable. So this is an example of an activity where I wanted students to be able to click and drag boxes to a plot diagram. So this is how I would have created my movable pieces. I have my whiteboard file uploaded, and then you can see it's a blank. I did not put the movable pieces on this slide. I have them on a separate slide so that the static ones would not stay visible on that slide. So, and then I have my PowerPoint open with a separate PowerPoint slide that has the pieces I want to be movable. All you have to do, you can click even a text box or an object you've created on a PowerPoint. You can copy that text box or object and just paste it onto the whiteboard slide. If you paste it that way, it does paste very big. You would just resize it. And then you would paste all your movable pieces like that. You can also use your snipping tool to take snips of the boxes if you don't want to just copy and paste them. So you can use your snipping tool to take a snip of the object. And then you can right click on your whiteboard page and then hit paste page. You can also try Control V, but Control V doesn't always work for me on the whiteboard. Sometimes I have to right click. So again, I would just copy my object, paste it on the whiteboard page, resize it and place it, and then all of those pieces remain movable. So then students would be able to click and drag those around. Remember, you can save your whiteboard file as a whiteboard file instead of a PowerPoint, and then all the pieces would remain movable, so you wouldn't have to redo this for every Class Connect session that uses the same activity. You can just upload your whiteboard file, and these pieces would remain movable on your whiteboard file. And that's it. That's how you would create a movable piece on a whiteboard.